All right, this is the perfect little daily driver commuter car or first car. Good gas mileage, really nice. We're gonna do a visual condition report on it. We're gonna look for any scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the front right wheel, got the nice machine finish with the gloss black. Couple little scuffs, but overall in great condition. Got the prime wells. Tires look good. Here on the fender, do have a chip right there. Got the blinkers built into the mirrors. A-pillar looks nice. You already have window tint on it. A couple of light little scuffs. Being white, it's kind of hard to see. You do have the door edge protector right there. Looks good. A couple little marks. Looks like something kind of grazed that just a little bit here. You can see that. A couple little chips. A couple little marks there. You have some light rash on the edge. Got the prime wells once again. Looks good. Looks nice. No sunroof or anything. Got the projector beam headlights. We do have a chip there with a little ding. A couple small rock chips. Gloss black accents. And then you have some gashes down here. And looking at this fender, looks good. Date code on the tire 2021. Overall in great condition. Got the blinkers here on the side mirrors. Mirror looks good. A-pillar nice and clean. Got the window tint. A couple small chips. Overall that door looks good. Quarter panel looks nice. Date code on that tire 2021. Corolla SE, got a backup camera. Got this really cool kind of carbon looking diffuser on the back. A few little marks, otherwise looks good. Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. Now if you see any flickering on the screens, that's just in camera, that's not in person. Non-smoker. Got a really cool steering wheel cover here with the blue that ties in really well with the blue accents on the door and the seat. 57,635 miles on the odometer. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Has an eco mode and a sport mode. We're just driving in eco right now. I'll get on it a little bit. And if you saw that lightning, that was cool. Car definitely has a little bit of get up and go. It has a CVT transmission. Just kind of going through that screen, I was looking. Looks like it's averaging about 30 MPG. Now that's, I believe, probably city and highway. So I bet if you reset that and took this on the highway, you'd get a lot more. But just kind of whatever their driving style was, they're averaging almost 30, which is awesome. Drivability is perfect. This is an awesome first car, or just a little good gas mileage commuter car. Yeah, that CVT is really neat. You don't feel the shifts. They're just nice and smooth. Probably one of the best things about that is just butter smooth. Alignment's perfect. Hands off the wheel, driving nice and straight. No complaints with drivability whatsoever. All right, checking out the interior. It's a non-smoker. Now from the factory, you have the blue accent here. ties in really well with the door, and they added a steering wheel cover that has that same blue. It looks really, really good. It definitely pops. All-weather liners, like I said, non-smoker. You have power windows, power locks, all the goodies. A lot of storage in there. Got the Corolla liner. That seat looks incredible. Cloth on leather. Looks really nice. Got the steering wheel cover, Bluetooth. You have lane alert here, forward collision alert it looks like, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all the goodies. Got your screen with the backup camera, automatic climate control. It is an automatic. You do have sport mode. Very nice interior. Here on this panel, looks good. Power windows, all the locks look good. That blue strip looks nice. All-weather mat. This is a cloth. And then you have like the leather with the blue accent. It looks good. No rips or tears. Center console looks nice. Shifter looks good. Here on the back right door panel, that all looks perfect. All weather mats. I'm looking at the seats. They look good. Looks good. That's just some water dropping from the detail. Engine bay looks nice. Here in the trunk, you got a really nice Corolla liner there, all-weather mat. Looks good. And then you do have a spare tire and a jack.